Welcome back. The use of cell phones and the possible risk of cancer is now being called into question by the World Health Organization. While experts aren't certain that using mobile phones will cause cancer, they are advising people to reduce their usage to avoid the risk of developing brain tumors.
31 scientists from 14 countries gathered in France on Tuesday at the World Health Organization's International Agency for Research on Cancer and delivered a frightening blow to cell phone users around the globe.
So what this working group has found is a possible risk of cancer in association with the use of mobile phones or cell phones.
Experts based their findings on a study of 13,000 cell phone users over a 10-year period. After a thorough review of the evidence, they decided to put cell phones in the same risk category as being exposed to chloroform, exhaust from gas engines, and the pesticide DDT. But being 100% certain that using your cell phone will cause cancer remains to be seen. While there is sufficient historical evidence to prove that smoking tobacco in cigarettes causes cancer, there is no conclusive evidence to prove using a cell phone can do the same.
Clearly, the evidence, this classification, is possibly, so it means that there might be a link. The evidence was sufficient to say that. It wasn't sufficient to classify the radiation, the electromagnetic fields from mobile phone use in a higher level.
So the fact remains more research is needed before a more definitive answer can be given. But because it's always safer to err on the side of caution, experts highly suggest the following tips.
There are approaches you can take to use texting or to use hands-free systems to reduce or limit your exposure whilst we're in this period of uncertainty.
Meantime, other regulatory bodies like the U.S. Food and Drug Administration maintain the weight of scientific evidence has not linked cell phones with any health problems.
The Hong Kong government will give daily updates on test results of food products from Taiwan as the phthalate contamination scare spreads. Now, sports drinks found to be tainted have already been banned from sale.